Hello there, my friends. So there's a couple different versions of these Blink cameras from Amazon, and the older version, I'm going to show you how to open them because a viewer wanted me to show you how to do that. So the older version, the original version, if you have these, see this little arrow here? So you push this down, this is spring loaded, push it down, kind of hold the top like this, push it down with your index finger and pull. And see how like there's these little teeth here? And they fit in this slot here, and then when I pull this down, you can see the spring actually move, and you can see the little levers here. And then when it goes on, you can just press it on, or you can pull down, push, pull, push down, push in, and then push, and then tighten that up like that. Now the newer version, though, you're going to need a screwdriver. So just take a big screwdriver and unscrew it to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? Counterclockwise loosens it up, and this should come off. And there's your batteries in there, and then go like this, and tighten it back up. And that's how you take the back covers off of the Blink Amazon cameras, the two different versions. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for smashing a like. See you on the next one.